let's see first about in periods. So Indian system and international system. So first we have to know about natural. Okay, first we know about natural numbers. So friends, natural numbers starts from 1. So starts from 1 to infinite. So infinite. So some members put etc. No, no, this is easy. So first like this. This is infinite. Okay. Natural numbers starts from 1 to infinite. Okay. Now whole numbers. Sorry friends, natural numbers, sorry. So natural numbers are called as counting numbers also. Counting numbers. Natural numbers are called as counting numbers also. Next, natural numbers indicated as capital N. Okay. This is about natural numbers. Okay. Now see whole numbers. So whole numbers starts from 0 to infinite. So we don't know. From 0 it gone. So it was indicated by capital W. Okay. Whole numbers have no name of others. Okay. This is natural and whole numbers. Now let's come to the Indian period and international period. Now we know. So systems. So the systems first is, let's discuss Indian system. So Indian system is called as Hindustan system also. We can call as Hindustan system. Okay, now see, in this system, for example, I have given a number to you. First we should know commas, how to put commas. So in Hindustan system, the commas are like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. First three digits. First three digits. Next we should put two digits, two digits, two digits. This is commas. First we put ones, tens, and hundred, a comma, and next we should move two digits by comma. So this is in Indian system. Comma. So in Indian system, 1, 10, 100. So this is called as unit period. This is called as unit period. 1, 10, 100 is called as unit period in Indian system. Now next value is 1000, 10,000, 10,000. It is called as thousands period. Now lakh, 10 lakh. Called as lakh period. Crore, 10 crore is called crore period. So, so, so in Indian system, four periods. Four periods. Okay. Now let's take a number. So now see, ones, tens, hundreds. This is units period. Thousands, 10,000s. This is thousands period, and this is lakhs period. So this is Indian system or Hindustan and system. So in Hindustan system, four periods are available. Now next one. International system. In international system, or we can say English system. We can say English system, or we can say also British system. Okay, we can say international system, English system, or British system. Now see commas. 3, 4, 2,
Yeshu,
5, 6, 3.
అన్నము కీప్ వామ్లో సాఫ్ చేసిచ్చు
3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 3, 4, 2. First we see commas. So in international system, first 3 commas, next also 3 commas, then 3 commas will continue. No, okay? 3 commas. First 3, second 3, third 3, and fourth also 3. Okay, now let's see periods. Ones, tens, hundreds. So ones, tens, hundreds in common in Indian and international. So it's called as units period. This is called as units period. 1000, 10,000. I will write TH only. That means 10,000. So I will write TTH. 10,000 and 100,000. So this is called as thousands period. Now next one is after Indian system, thousands after lakh, but here million. Million is M. 10 million, 100 million. So it is called as million period. So up to 5th class, million period is enough. But we are in 6th class now. We should learn billion and trillion also. Next one, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion is called as billion period. Next one, trillion. 10 trillion, 100 trillion is called as trillion period. So in British system, 5 periods are available. 5 periods are available in British system. Next topic is place value. We should must learn place and face value.
లైట్ ఉంచు
For example, place value. See, I have given you number 3, 4, 2, 5, 6. So place value. How should the place value of 5? The place value of 5 into 10. So because this is 10's place, the place value of 5 is 50. What is meant by face value? So the face value of 2, same number will come. Okay, the face value of 2 is 2. The face value of 3, the face value of 52 is 52 only. Okay, face value is itself number. When we come to the place value, it is, so for example, I have given 3. So 3 is in which place? 3 is in 10,000th place. 3 into 10,000, it is 30,000. Okay, 30,000. This is place and face value. Now let's come to the next point.